Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start with 1 lb of firm white fish, cut into 3/4-inch thick pieces and pat dry. Trim any bones and scale remnants. Consistent thickness cooks evenly. Brine in 4 cups water, 1 tablespoon salt, and 1 tablespoon sugar for 20 minutes to season gently and tighten flesh. Rinse briefly and let fish rest 10 minutes to return to room temperature before dredging. Pat dry again and score skin lightly if using fillets with skin to prevent curling during frying. Make a batter with 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup cornmeal, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, and 1 cup cold beer or club soda for lift. Dredge fish first in seasoned flour, then dip in batter, and finish in panko or crushed cornflake crumbs for extra crunch. Heat oil to 350 degrees F and maintain temperature with a thermometer. Fry pieces 3 to 4 minutes per side until golden brown and internal temperature. Drain fried fish on a wire rack over a baking sheet for 3 to 5 minutes to stay crisp instead of sitting on paper towels. Serve immediately with lemon wedges, tartar sauce, or simple aioli and sides such as coleslaw or fries. Squeeze lemon to balance oil. Store leftovers in an airtight container in the fridge up to 2 days and reheat in a 400 degrees F oven for 8 to 10 minutes to restore crunch. Do not resoak in oil.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.